Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. Welcome back in action. This is your brother Abdi Muhammad Noor, who will be taking for you mathematics of Form 3. As you can see on whiteboard, we have mixtures. Very examinable in KCSE, by the way. It's a chapter that will carry a question of 3 marks and as well as a question of 10 marks. Then this is how we'll be tackling. We'll be tackling questions of 3 marks, then we will proceed to questions of 10 marks for information, guys. So that you understand and digest the concept of mathematics we have here on the whiteboard. And make sure you go with me. Remember, if you want to get questions, solve questions from this chapter, as far as our YouTube content is concerned, you can say hash mixtures here, has question of mixtures, then I'm sure you're going to get it. Okay. Basically, what I'll be solving are questions of KCSE, which means you not have any burden during the national exam. Okay. Let's go, guys, and see the first example without wasting time. We have our example 1. This is our example 1. We are told 3 types. We are told 3 types of tea leaves. 3 types of tea leaves costing shilling 26, shilling 28, okay? Shilling 26, shilling 28, and shilling 32, okay? Shilling 32, yeah? This is that 2, remember? Bar packet, bar packet are mixed in the ratio 1 to 3 to 5, respectively. Okay, respectively. Find the cost. Of one packet, the cost of 1 packet of the mixture. Full stop. Now, when you look at this question now, it is very, very easy, by the way. And of course, the procedures we'll be using are the same. Only that when we will be doing the reverse, okay? The reverse of these questions is when we are going to change the procedure for your information, guys. So understanding the nature of the question is one factor which is very, very important during KCSE or any other exam. You are told, so now let's understand the nature of this question here, or what the question is actually asking about. You are told 3 types of tea leaves costing shilling 26, 28 and shilling 32 per packet are mixed in the ratio 1 to 3 to 5 respectively. Find the cost of 1 packet of the mixture. Okay. Now this is the procedure. We have type A, B, and C. So this one is costing how much? The cost of type A is shilling 26, while that of B is shilling 28, while that of C is what? Shilling 32. Then we are also given the ratio in which they are mixed. Okay. We have 1 ratio 3, then ratio 5. So when you want to get the cost of 1 kg of the mixture, okay, or 1 packet of the mixture, we are going to say cost of 1 packet of the mixture. Cost of 1 packet of the mixture will be, this is how you are going to tell. You are going to say 26 times 1, close the bracket, you multiply this one by this one, plus open the bracket, 28 times 3, 28 times the ratio given, okay, plus open the bracket, 32 times what? 5. Total divided by the addition of, or the summation of the ratios, 1 plus 3 plus 5. By the way, it's very easy. So you must have your calculator. 26 times 1 is how much? Come to this point now. Come to this point. Let's go with the solution here. We have 26 okay, times 1 is 26, plus 28 times 3 is what? 84, plus 160. Total divided by the summation of this one, which will give us what? 90. Okay, 9, yeah? 9. To give us 9. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9. So add these two. This will give me what? This is going to give me 110 plus 160. That is 270 divided by 9. So that will be shilling that, okay? That will be the cost of one packet of the mixture. So what are we doing? We are multiplying the pint price or the cost, okay? The pint price and the cost price is one and the same for your information. 26 times the respective ratio plus 28 times the respective ratio plus that 2 times its respective ratio, then total divided by the sum of the ratios, and that is the final answer for your information, guys. Let's go and see our second example so that you understand better this thing. Let's see the second example. I hope you're getting this thing. Okay. Now let me write our example 2 here. This is our example 2. We are told Akinyi bought maize and beans from a wholesaler, okay? A wholesaler, full stop. She then mixed the maize and the beans in the ratio. The maize and the beans in the ratio, we have 4 to 3. In the ratio 4 to 3, full stop. She bought the maize at Shein. You're told she bought the maize at Shein 21 per kg. 21 per kg. And the beans at Shein 42. At Shein 42 per kg. Okay, full stop. If she was to make a profit, if she was to make a profit, of 30%, what should be the selling price? What should be the selling price? What should be the selling price? Okay. Of 1 kg of the mixture. Of 1 kg of the mixture. Question mark. Let's go and read this statement given. Let's read the question given for your information, guys. When you look at this question, it's just like typically like the previous one, but only that it has extra information where we are given a percentage profit. Yeah, Akinyi bought maize and beans. So what we are having is what? Maize and beans. I just understand, okay? From a wholesaler, okay? From a wholesaler. She then mixed the maize and the beans in the ratio 4 to 3, okay? 4 to 3, okay? She bought the maize. That is the pie price or the cost. Just understand, yeah? Shilling 21, this one, and the other one shilling 42. Shilling 42 for your information. Okay. Then what were we told? Okay. If she was to make a profit of 30%, what should be the selling price? Okay, now, for us to make a profit, we must have what? The buying price, or where are we going to make the profit from? Just understand that. So it is compulsory, or it's must, that you get the buying price or the cost price of 1 kg of the mixture before you look for the selling price. Yeah. Okay. We know that we are going to say cost price. Okay. Cost price, or the buying price of 1 kg of the mixture. Let me say that. The buying price, okay, of 1 kg of the mixture. Of 1 kg of the mixture. I will say 4 times 21 in the bracket. Remember, we are multiplying this one by the price, okay? Plus, open the bracket, 3 times 42. Total divided by 4 plus 3. So multiply. This will be 84 plus 126 divided by 7. So that will give me, remember this 126, okay? This will give me what? 210 divided by 7. So that is shilling 30. That is the cost or the pie price of 1 kg of the mixture. But when you go ahead and read this statement, you're told, look here, if she was to make a profit of 30%, what should be the selling price of 1 kg of the mixture? And we know that the buying price and the cost price are always what? 100%. So we can say selling price. She's making a profit of what? 30%. So we can say selling price, in short, is equal to 130 over 100 times the buying price, which is 30, okay? Okay? 0 and 0 will move. Cancel also these two. So this will give you how much? Shilling 39. 13 times 3. Or you can say, if 100% is equal to what? Is equal to shilling that, which is the buying price. What about 130%? Okay? And that will give you the selling price for your information, guys. So this is the second example. Read the question and just understand. So for us to get first the selling price with this question, we must have the buying price. Just understand, because we are making a profit of 30%. Now, without wasting time, let me proceed. I hope you have the question plus its solution. Let me proceed to example 3. Let me proceed to example 3 so that in case you see you don't encounter any problem, okay? Let's go ahead and see. Example 3, yeah? Example 3. Let's see that. Have example 3. You're told, this is our example 3. You are told a trader sells a bag of beans. A trader sells a bag of beans for shilling 2,100, and that of a maize, and that of a maize, that of a maize, okay? That of a maize for shilling 1,200. First stop. He mixed beans and maize. He mixed beans and maize, okay? In the ratio 3 to 2. In the ratio 3 to 2. Full stop. You are trying to find how much. Find how much the trader should sell. How much the trader should sell a bag of the mixture. A bag of the mixture to realize the same profit, okay? To realize the same profit, okay? the same profit. Question mark. Okay, now let's solve our question here. Guys, let's come to this space and solve our question there. Let's solve a question here on what? You are told a trader sells a bag of beans for 2,100 and that of a maize for 1,200. He mixed the beans and maize in the ratio 3:2. So let's say now we have beans and what? Maize, okay? We have these two. So, but remember you're told a bag of beans cost how much? 2,100, while that of a maize cost 1,200, okay? And this is the ratio. He mixed beans and maize in the ratio 3:2. Just understand that. Now, without being asked or not, let's now give the cost price of 1 kg of the mixture, okay? Okay? Look at that. Now you are told you mix beans and maize in the ratio 3:2. Find how much the trader should sell a bag of the mixture to realize the same profit, okay? Now we are going to say this is the selling price. We are dealing with the selling price, remember? So we are going to say selling price of 1 kg of the mixture. Selling price of 1 kg of the mixture. Selling price of 1 kg of the mixture. It will be 2,100. Look at that. 2,100 times what? Times 3 plus, open the bracket, 1,200 times 2. Okay? Divided by the ratio, the sum of the ratio, which is 3 plus that one. So when you multiply these two, it will be 6,300 plus 2,400 divided by 5. Okay? Now let's get, it will be how much? 6,300 plus 2,400. Okay? Divided by, this will be 8,700. 8,700 divided by 5. So divided by what? 5. So that will give us how much? 1,740. That is the final answer for your information. That will be the final answer for your information, guys. And that's our example what? This should be our example, not 3. This is example 4 for your information, guys. Okay? Oh, sorry, that was example 3, not example 4, sorry. This was our example 3. Just understand, you thought a trader sells a bag. So we are dealing with the selling price here. We are not dealing with the buying price this time. A trader sells a bag of beans for 2,100 and that of a maize for 1,200. He mixed beans and maize in the ratio 3:2. For how much the trader should sell a pack of the mixture to realize the same profit, okay? This is the procedure. You write beans as what? Maize. So we have the selling price of a pack of beans, which is 2,100, and that of a maize, what? 1,200. Those informations are given. It is there in the question. So the ratio is 3:2 now. So for us to get the selling price of 1 kg of the mixture, we follow the same procedure. We're going to say 2,100 times 3 in the bracket plus 1,200 times 2 in the bracket, total divided by the sum of the ratio, okay? Then that is how you're going to get the selling price of 1 kg of the mixture for your information, guys. Let's proceed ahead and see example 4. Let's see example what? Example 4. Okay? Let us see example 4, guys. This will be the last one we'll be doing for these questions based on 3 marks or 4 marks, okay? This is our example 4. Okay? You are told 3 grades. You are told 3 grades. We have A, comma, B, and what? And C of rice were mixed in the ratio. Were mixed in the ratio 3:4:5, okay? In the ratio 3:4:5, okay? Full stop. You are told the cost per kg of each of the grades. The cost per kg of each of the grades. wa shirin 120 comma wa shirin 120 comma shirin 90 and shirin 60, okay, and shirin 60, okay, respectively, okay. Then we are told comma, we are told calculate. Then we have question A. This is our question A. The cost of 1 kg of the mixture. The cost of 1 kg of the mixture, okay? The cost of 1 kg of the mixture. Question B, we are told the selling price of 5 kg. The selling price of 5 kg. The selling price of 5 kg, okay? The selling price of what? 5 kg of the mixture. Of the mixture. Given that the mixture was sold at the mixture was sold at 8%, okay, profit. Look at this question. Let's come to the solution, but and read the statement first. Let's read this statement first, okay? You are told the 3 grades A, B, and C of rice were mixed in the ratio 3 to 4 to 5. Full stop. The cost per kg of each of the grades were shirin 120, shirin 90, and shirin 60 respectively. Calculate the cost of 1 kg of the mixture, okay? So we are going to say we have 3 grades A, B, and what? C. So we have the ratio is what? 3, 4, and what? And 5. Then here we have shirin 120. Here we have shirin 90. Okay? And here we have what? Shirin 60. Okay? Just understand that. Then let me get cost of 1 kg. Cost of 1 kg of the mixture. Cost of 1 kg of the mixture, it will be 3 times 120 in the bracket plus 4 times 90 plus 5 times 60. Total divided by the ratio, the sum of the ratio. The sum of our ratio, which is 3 plus 4 plus 5. So this will give us, this times this is 360 plus another 360 plus 300, okay? So that will be how much? 720 plus 300 divided by what? Divided by 12. So this will give me 1020 divided by 12. So we'll use our calculator. We're going to say 1020 divided by 12, okay? And that is what? Shirin 85. That is shirin 85. Then question B, you are told the selling price. This was A. Remember, this was A. Question A. Then question B, you are told the selling price of 5 kg of the mixture, given that the mixture was sold at 8% profit. Remember, this is the buying price of 1 kg of the mixture. So we are going to say 108 over 100 times the buying price, which is 85, times what? 5. Where 5 is the number of kgs. And this will give us how much? Times 5. We have 85 times 5 times what? Times 108, okay? Divided by 100. So this will give you how much? Shirin 459, okay? Just understand that. Because we need to get the selling price of 5 kg of the mixture, which are sold at a profit of 8%, okay? And that is how we are going to solve this kind of question. Guys, in our next video, we are going to discuss or solve or calculate, okay? Or come up with the solutions of what? Of a question of 10 marks based on this chapter. Make sure you subscribe this YouTube channel. It's an academic channel. It will help you, and also your future generation, God willing. Otherwise, I wish you the best.